open this. I should have been more prepared. Oh my gosh. Let's see what do we got here. Alright. This is supposed to be a pet shop. Oh. Ooh, you ready? What is this? Oh my gosh. Whoa, what is this? What is this? Look. Look, what is this? What is that? Here, let me open it. Let me open it for you. Here, let me open it. Let me open it for you. Oh. Oh. For some odd reason, they're tying these things. Yeah, look. It's a bobblehead. Look, it's a bobblehead. Oh, wow. Let's open this one. Want to see this one? Dude, these things are pretty. They're on there pretty crazy. These kid toys are pretty futuristic now. Rope. Oh my gosh, it's impossible. What is that? They're lizards for girls. Lizards for girls. Look at that. Let's see what's this. Look. What is that? It's a little house. Look. More little things. I'm assuming this is for children that are not too young. That way they don't choke on these parts, but she's good, right? See? Parents said yes. Wow, look at all these little things. I don't even know what they do. It's a flamingo. Look, a flamingo. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look, a turtle. It's a sand turtle thing. Let's see what else we got. Look! Look! Solid colors! Solid colors! Look! Colors! Wow! What are you gonna do with that? What are you gonna do with that? Oh! What do we do? Ooh! Look! More colors! What is this? They're floors, I think. Look! Look! Curtains! Oh, what's this? More things. Now I figured out how to open this. Look! Look, Abby! Look! Wow, what is this? What is that? What is that? Let me see. Let me see. Hey, it's I don't know. Something goes in there. There's so much stuff. Look at all these things. Wow, complicated. For kids. Complicated. Wow, what is that? What is that? It's a palm tree. Let's see what's the Look, a top. A pink top. Let's build this. Look, stickers. Oh no, no stickers for you. Oh. You guys think I could do this without instructions? Look, stickers. Show them stickers. No, look. What is this? What is this? That's something, the background. Puppies, curtains. Let's do this. What is this? Instructions. Complicated for kids. Let's do this. So this is the floor. Look, the floor. Look, the floor. Let's put the curtains up. I think. I don't know. Okay, I got it. Wow. Wow, look at that. Wow, where's the other black part? Where is it? Look at the flamingo. What is this? What is this? I don't know. I think there's something missing. Yeah, that goes somewhere. I don't know, but I know these go here. Look, yeah. Look. Here, let's go. Wow, look at that. Here, put it on here. Put it here. Put it here. Put it. Put it in. Help me. Help me. Wow! Yay! High five. Oh, missing part. Look, the missing part.
You missed one thing.
Oh. Oh, wait, here you go. Look, right here. Look. Look. Woo! High five. High five. Fist pump. Explosion. Yeah. And then what else? Oh, wait, no. I think. Oh. And this goes right here. Yeah. Wow. So easy, an adult can't do it. Look, I can't do it. Help. There, I did it. Look. It's a background. Wow. Wow, lawn chairs. You always wanted lawn chairs. What else we got? Oh, okay. Look, check it out. Where are the black things? Here you go, look. Yes. Look, yeah. Ooh. Oh, look. You're missing the curtains because you're too busy playing. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. There we go. Look, not as pretty as the picture. You want to see this one? Oh. It matches my shirt. Yo play. Mira, look. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, curtains. And I think that's it. Oh, wait, this thing. Oh, let's see. Look. Look. Oh my gosh. I'll just leave it like that. Look. Look. Could you see that? Could everybody see that? Wow, what is that? What is this? It's a fork. Oh, it's a flamingo. Look, a little doghouse. Even though there's no dogs, there's lizards. Lizard house. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I don't think it comes off. Yeah, look. Wow. Wow. Put him on the chair. Put him on the chair. Ooh. Yeah. This is tiny stuff. Look, a little hat. Put the hat. Who could wear the hat? Can anyone wear the hat? No, not her. Did this one wear the hat? Who could wear the hat? Who's gonna wear the hat? Look, I think she wears a hat. Let me see. She wears a hat, I think. Never mind. Oh. Oh, wow. Come here. I don't think. Look, she's wearing a hat. Oh. Look, there's little. Oh, you could put the little juices in their hands, I think. Not all of them, some of them.
Whoa.
This one. Look, he could carry things. There, look. Look. Look what he has in his hands. Look what he has in his hands. Wow. You want it there? Okay, I'll put it there. Oh. Wow. Oh, what is this? What is this? What does that do? Oh. Oh, look. 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 Wow. Let's put it right this way. Let's put this one. Uh-oh, what fell off? Oh, look, she's drinking some drink. Oh, this. Oh, I didn't put this on. That's my fault. Good job. Good job. I'm a bad adult. Look what you did. What is this? What is this? What is that? I don't know what it is. And then put this here. And then everybody got their drinks, their purse, more drinks, and a cane. And look, a soda, a Coke for children. Yeah. I guess that's it, right? That's it. What is that? Yeah, give it to him. Yeah. Oh. Look. Look. What is that? Put it here. Put it right here. Put it on the floor. Put it. Show it to the camera. Look. Show it. Show the picture. It's a pool. Or dirt and rocks. But the pool looks nicer. Let's do the pool. I get it. It's not a background. It's a floor thing. And then you can put the chairs right here. Let's put the chair over here. Oh, the hat fell off. See? Let me see the hat. Oh, wow. Look. Look, the hat. Oh, wow. I guess I should put this on right. There you go. Oh my gosh. That is complicated. Just that part. Look, let's put this here. What else we got? What else we got? Let's put this little lizard right here. Reptiles. You like it? Yeah. You like it? Okay, where does that go? Oh, where does that go? Where does that go? What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a kebab. It's food. Okay, we'll put it up there. There you go, put the kebab up there. Look here, look, Coke. Soda. Look, soda. It's a soda. Oh yeah, soda goes to the people, or the lizards. Oh, where's that one? Oh, there it is. Where does he go? Oh, yeah, it goes in the chair. Relax. And then we'll put this one over here. Here next to the boombox. Uh-oh. That's not a hat. I don't know what that is. It's not a hat. Oh. What is this? What's going on? Alright, let's do this. Put it on him. So look, he has a thing for grilling. I don't know what the name of it is. But now he has two. He's a grill. He's gonna grill. There's no grill. Where's the grill? The soda. The soda. that's what this is. It's a grill. Ah, it's a grill. Those are here. Ah, you guys know that? It's a grill. I thought it was a thing for a light post. Wow. And then the stickers, you could put them later on. But we're dealing with kids, so we're going to put them all over the place in the house. All over mommy stuff, huh? Yeah? What you got, Joe? Yeah.
It's the puppy.
The puppy. There you go. There we go. That's the whole playhouse. Or Littlest Pet Shop.
Oh.
Pet Shop. Barbecuing. With 85 plus pieces. That's it, no more. That's it, there's nothing in there. It's gone. I guess that's it for that. It's 4K, so I could close up on my own.
Oh.
I could do close up on my own on editing. Okay, how about this? Oh look, she's putting that stuff on the grill. You like that?
Oh.
Maybe Daddy should do the
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Yeah, Dixie, good job. Good job. And then all these little pieces. Look. Look at all the little pieces. Look at that. Oh, wow. Wow, you're good at reading objects.